Hi, in this video for the Ferguson Ariva 153 combo receiver, we're going to show you how you can sort and delete the channels on the box, okay? So to do this, simply go to menu, go to the edit channel submenu and go to TV channel list. And you're in there now. So the thing to look at here really is most people, they can set up different things, whatever they want, but by far the most common thing that people will want to know how to do is how to move a channel and how to delete a channel. And the reason you need to do this is if you did a scan from scratch for the satellite channels, you'll pull in about 400 channels. They'll be all over the shop. There'll be a lot of regional variations and maybe channels that you don't want and things like that. So you'd need to know how to delete the ones you don't want, and then once you have that done, sort the ones you do want into the order that you want. Now, if you buy a box pre-programmed from us here at freetv.ie, we'll have all that done for you, and it saves an awful lot of time and hassle, okay? But what we usually say is if you're a glutton for punishment, here's how you do it, okay? But interestingly, on top of that, if you actually had to scan in a channel in the future, that maybe the frequency changed or something like that, this is very handy to know how to do as well, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is show you how to move a channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to just move this Information TV and Info TV +1, okay? So to do that, simply press the yellow button to move, and then press the OK button to select them, move them to the position that you want, and then press the yellow button again, okay? So you can see they've been moved there now, okay? So that's grand, and it's a very handy feature that you can do multiple channels at the same time. Not all boxes can do that, and I can tell you from my experience of pre-programming boxes here in freetv.ie, I tell you, boxes that you have to do one channel at a time would drive you mad. So being able to do a few at a time is great, basically, great time saver. So the next thing to do then is show you how you can delete a channel, okay? So what you can do here is, you can't, in the menu there with the colour buttons, you can't currently see an option for deleting, but there's a button there in blue for edit. And it's asking me, are you sure you want to save? Because I have moved the channels already, it's asking me, do I want to save them? Okay, and then once I have that move saved, it brings up the new menu that gives me the option for delete, okay? So I'm going to press the blue button to tell it I'm going to start deleting channels, and I'm going to say I'm going to delete Create and Craft, TV Shop and Holiday and Cruise. And then again, you can do multiples at the same time, which is very, very handy, big time saver, and good little feature of the box. And you simply hit the back button then a couple of times, and it asks you, are you sure you want to save? You say yes, and they're all deleted now. So if I go back out to live TV then and pull up my channel list, you'll see they're gone from my channel list there now, okay? So, and you can see the Information TV has been moved. So that's it basically. What I would say, apart from if you're scanning in channels from scratch, or if if a satellite channel changed frequency and something like that, a very important reason to know how to do this, I suppose, would be if you're scanning in the Irish channels afterwards. After you receive your box, they'll generally come in at the end, and you might get a load of blank channels, test channels and things like that from RTE. And what you can do then is delete all the blank ones and the ones you don't want, and just resort them and arrange them into the order that you want. Most people would probably put all the Sairview channels at the top of their list in position 1 to 8 or something like that, and then followed on by the BBC's, ITV's, Channel 4, that sort of thing. So that's it basically in a nutshell, just how you sort and delete your channels on the Ferguson Ariva 153 combo receiver.